We made it to Florida. Welcome. A cheese and then like a cracker and then like a meat stick.
Like an Italian?
Or cashews. Unsalted. No. Should we get cashews? I feel like we should.
Cashews or almonds, I don't care.
Roasted and salted. Okay, a little grocery haul. This is over $100 at Trader Joe's, which kind of seems crazy, but also it is. Let me look. How many items? I don't know how many items. It doesn't say. Okay, cool. Anyways, cashews, 2 things of mango, turkey jerky, gluten-free English muffins, apricot preserves, cinnamon bun spread, brown rice cakes, and then we do have stuff in here. We got 2 of the buffalo chicken wraps, cucumbers, blueberries, Greek yogurt, oat creamer in brown sugar flavor, 3 overnight oats, eggs, 2 things of chicken sausage, and then cheddar cheese. And they had waters for us here, which was lovely. And then we actually had a couple meals in here. So that's what's left in the freezer, the acai bowl. But we had a couple meals what we ate for dinner. It's almost 12 now, so I will talk to you guys tomorrow and like update you guys on what's going on. The lighting in here right now is... So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. I really need to get in bed and start like preparing myself for sleep. But welcome to a new vlog. We are in Florida, so I'm excited to take you guys along with me on this trip. I feel like I've been to Florida a few times, like in the Tampa area the last couple years, but I haven't really fully like done an in-depth vlog. We have a good itinerary this week and I'm excited to take you guys along. Actually, first things first, let me show you some Honor. I got the new Honor package, literally picked it up on the way to the airport this morning from the FedEx location, and then did an airport haul. So if you guys haven't followed me on my short form platforms and check that out, you definitely should. I'll show you a couple of a new color and a new piece too. Let's go look at it real quick. The soft motion scoop neck, long sleeve crop top, black obviously, and then we have the new cherry lacquer color in the leggings. So this is gonna be one of my fits tomorrow. You guys will see. Okay, what is happening with this focus? Also, I need my sunglasses. Oh my gosh, hello. Thank you. What is this? We're about to head to Bean Good, which is like my favorite matcha place here. Their mango matcha is amazing. So we're about to go get matcha, take pics. I'm wearing the fit that I literally just showed you guys last night. Sasha did my hair. Yes. So it's more voluminous and curly. And then after, we're gonna get to other stuff, which you guys will see. The matcha place. This is Bean Good in Pinellas County. Hold on, I'll show you another one. So pretty. We both got strawberry and then just got regular. I mixed the strawberry in, which is why it's this color. But they literally have the best matcha I've tried. Their mango matcha is amazing. I'm gonna get one after. But we are going to be heading out in a couple minutes. We got some fire pictures. I'll show you a picture of us 3 because we look cute. Did you get the same one? You did?
No, I got the regular matcha.
Oh, slay.
With oat milk.
So now we're heading to St. Pete Pier. We're having a blue moment.
Yes.
Oh, other way. Still don't know how to work this dang camera. And I still have my matcha, the second one I got. This is the peach cobbler. Delish.
Okay, we're about to go to Clementine Cafe, which is in the Fine Arts Museum, and they have the best little brunch thing. So we're gonna go in here. Literally, I'm gonna get the same thing I got last time, and then we're going to have a beach day. So I'll take you guys along. Wow, dramatic lighting shift.
And now he's
letting
getting
him get you out of
sued
here
for $100 million. $100 million.
Good morning or good afternoon. I actually have no idea what time it is, but we are ready and we're about to head to the gym. We have the fit on for the day, and these are gonna like uncurl too, but Sasha did my hair. Hold on, let me show you the fit. We're wearing chalk pink halter and then the rose pink straight legs. She's wearing chalk pink and rose pink too. And we're wearing the soft motion jacket over, but I love this color combo so much. It's really cute.
Is this? It's
really just an arm rest.
Mini-me.
You should put that in the vlog.
Anemone?
Okay, you took that as
Like
anonymity?
things in the ocean in
Oh,
coral.
an anemone?
An anemone. An anemone.
I thought you were trying to say like an anemone, like anonymity of what?
Anemone.
You know what I'm trying to say?
At first I was saying legitimately, like it just all got shifted.
go.
Here you go.
Oh.
Or it can be mine.
Thank you.
Yeah, I don't know.
Why is this
like
tortilla
someone not
like this?
like anonymous, but anonymity? Anonymous. You can tell that I read more than I talk because I've
That's
read that word a
hilarious.
million times, but I can't.
Anonymously? What?
It's
That's not the right.
All I'm thinking is Finding Nemo.
Anemone.
Here's, we're eating lunch in the car, and then we're eating lunch at 4:43, and then we're going into the gym. We're going to Gold's Gym in Tampa, which, am I gonna get copyrighted? Hopefully not. Look how cute this little room is. I forgot to vlog all day. And I also had my camera in my bag that I didn't have with me. So we're about to go to dinner right now. It is sunset. Obviously, I had to show you guys. We have gone to Hyde Park, which is like an outdoor shopping center, and then a downtown cutesy hotel that really did not work out for us. Like, it's so pretty, and yeah. Anyways, but yeah, we're gonna go to dinner right now. It's last day, which is sad to say. So we have to be up really, really early. So this is probably gonna be like about the end of the vlog, which is sad to say.
the trip has unfortunately come to an end. I just went to the gym, and so I am going to be ending this vlog here. Wanted to pop on and do an outro and actually say bye to you guys, because sometimes I be forgetting. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed coming along. Obviously, I wish I would have vlogged a little more. I feel like there was pieces that I didn't, but I do, you know, do a lot of content on my other socials. My short form content and everything was definitely got. Hang out with me on my other platforms, and I definitely post more on there. I'm trying to get to be an every single week on here. We're working on it. But can we take a moment also for this Honor Active color? This is my gym fit of the day, Peppermints, which I am wearing her for the first time, and she is beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what kind of vlogs and content on this channel you want to see this year. And I'm really excited to really kick off 2026 with 2026 focused content as well, and get into more like goal setting, self-growth, of course fitness, all the things above. But thanks for coming on the first trip within 2026, even though I was like literally in the same place when 2026 started. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for hanging out, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Mwah!